Starting with the photos so you can see how well this fits. I have to say I was very surprised because I thought that this was, you know, if this is something that was going to be installed in the sunroof, that it was going to look like it was something that you added aftermarket, but you actually get in the car and you don't even realize that it doesn't have a sunroof. You think that it's part of the car. So I was quite pleased with that. I received the product in about 2 days from Amazon in this very thick box. It's not one of those thin boxes that can easily be penetrated. And then there's a box inside the box, and inside that box, then there's a bag that holds the sunshades. In the interest of time, I'm going to speed this portion up, getting it out of the bag and then the bag within the bag. And then you can see that you get these two compact front and rear sunshades. It could be a little intimidating at first because you're not sure exactly how to open it, and I didn't want to break it. But it's once you do it a couple times, it's actually very simple, and it just pops right open. There is a sunny side of the shade, which is the top, and then the white grayish side, which is the bottom. It's the side that you're going to see inside the cabin of the car, and you can see it is like a stretchy kind of material. You also get, I think, 10 or 12 clips. I honestly had at least 4 left over when I was done. It depends on how many you use per side. I only used 1 per side. If you really wanted to, you know, you could use several clips easily on each side and have some left over. So again, the first time opening as you saw, I opened the box. The first time opening, I was a little bit worried about breaking it, but you really don't need to do that, and it just pops right open. Same thing, it has a shiny top side that's exposed to the sun, and then you have the white gray side that's on the bottom. Installing the clips are very easy. They just clip on on that little wire there, and as you can see, that flat side is up top. And that's going to go inside the little gap between the sunroof and the portion of the car. There's nothing permanent or anything about it. It goes in and comes back out very easily. This can easily be done by one person. You just pop it up in there with the shiny side facing up toward the sun, and then you install that clip like I showed previously with the flat side on the top, and it's just going to go and fit in there between the sunroof and the part of the car. Once you get at least 2 of those in, then the sunroof will hold itself up. And I'm not going to show that just for the interest of time. As you can see those clips in there. They're hard to see, and they do hold the sunroof nice and easily up there. There's a 365-degree view of the front, fully installed. There's the back. Give you another view here in a second, but you can see that in the Florida sun, this is a required accessory. There's just no way that you can go through July and August with that sunroof. All right, here's the picture of the back. You can see that it does not cover the back window, so you can actually still see out the back, but it fits very nicely in there. Feels like part of the car. All right, here's the hardest part of the process, folding it up for storage. 1 thumb up, 1 thumb down. Twist in and circle it around. You might need to watch this video a couple of times to get it right. But once you do it, it's pretty easy. Put it in the bag, fits in the frunk of the car. Very nice.